What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a little unboxing here. It is the Sephora Play one and I really don't know, I haven't made up my mind yet, my exact feelings on the Sephora Play box. The first box I got, I didn't even have it like recorded and posted. It was such a bad box. And then the second box was a little bit better. So now let's go ahead and see what the third box was. I almost actually unsubscribed, but I actually didn't think about that until after I paid for this box. So here we are. Now we're just gonna go on and open it up. You know, I've been really bad at using knives lately, so like, well actually this was a fork. I like stabbed myself with a fork and then I almost like cut my pinky off. It was really gross when this happened though. More of the good stuff. You get your 50 beauty insider points if you go spend money at Sephora, but honestly these like 50 point things, like the point system at Sephora just basically gives you the Sephora plate. That's my little rant. This is more of the good stuff, July 2018, and it's pretty big. They spend a lot on their like pamphlets. They always make the biggest things. Drink in the goodness. This is kind of cute. It's kind of like recipes and stuff, and then this just has what's in the box, and we'll look at that as we open it up. The bag looks like this month. I think out of all the bags, well I guess I've only had two others, this is probably going to be my favorite one just because it's just pretty simple. I'm not a big fan of their bags, just like the drawstring isn't appealing to me, but oh that's gonna go away. That's gonna get sucked in there one day and it's not gonna get found. Let's just grab in. Oh my gosh, I should put the knife away. I'm just trying to lose a finger. Just gonna go ahead and grab in and pull out what I pull out. It's a foil packet. And this is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. I don't know how I feel about this. I can probably get one or maybe two uses out of this. I have really bad dandruff, like real bad dandruff, a lot of the time, so I like have to use like essential oils and then like a dandruff shampoo, and it's a ruckus. So I do like the fact that it has no sulfates, silicones, or parabens though. First item, already a foil pack. Second item here, I'm pulling open, I think it's the perfume, and it's in there, I'm sure. This is the Claralie. I can't pronounce it, but they make a good like face mist, like a grapeseed thing. This is an essence apparently. Let's see if I can even, I don't want to see what else is in there. I don't think I got to what I'm looking for, but I got to a very small tube. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna set this down to the side and we're gonna talk about how small this is. This better be for like eyeliner, like a gel eyeliner or something, if it's gonna be this small. Don't tell me this is for my face. This is an agave lip mask from Bite Beauty. I love the sound of that actually. I kind of have some lipstick on right now though, so I can't really try it out. Nor can I get this foil off. I thought I got the foil off, but you know that like plastic underneath the foil? It's on, like, I'm just gonna have to try this out later. Two tiny products. Well, actually the lip balm or lip mask is actually a pretty good size considering it's for your lips. Next in here is, what is this? A face mask. Right, so it's from GRWM and it's a restorative mask that soothes and balances irritated or sensitive skin. Ooh, I like that. That sounds cool. I don't typically like masks all that much just because I feel like they don't really do much. I feel like you need to use something so consistently in order to get results that it's just like, I don't know. And then your face gets used to something if you use it for too long. Okay, next in here. This is a Claudia. This is not what I thought it was. And this is a concentrating brightening essence. This is the perfume, I'm assuming. No, this is totally for your face. This is not a perfume. I'm confused. Hold on. Because it's an essence. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin cells so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. Awesome. We've gotten so many skincare recently, but this is honestly such a tiny amount. I mean, I paid $10 for Sephora Play, so I don't know what I'm expecting. Maybe I'm expecting like IPSY stuff. That's cool though. It is a concentrated brightening essence, so it's supposedly brightening, and I think you can get a couple of uses out of this, and I do like essences and any type of skincare. I feel like we've been getting a lot of like skincare recently in all of the makeup boxes. So today we had that face mask, and then we had the lip balm. I know lip balm's like not really like a matte, like a skincare, but it's like skincare because it's taking care of the skin. It's not like a lipstick or anything. And then the essence, let's see in here, something flat. Okay, ooh, this is so cute. Tell me this isn't cute. Does this match my lipstick? A touch. This is from Tarte, and it's Party. P-A-A-A-R-T. This is R-T-Y. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Ooh, look at that. I really like this color. Finally, something I really actually like. Is that already 5 items? Is there anything else in here? Oh, the perfume's the extra, so there should be one more thing in here. This is from Pharmacy. It's their Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer. I am just stocked on moisturizers lately. These makeup subscriptions have been just giving me skincare. I like skincare, so it's okay. This is from Pharmacy. I do like Pharmacy. They have like a eye cream that I like, so that's interesting. The Pharmacy, actually, I think it came in a variation of the BOXYCHARM. I got the like coupon for it, but I didn't actually get any Pharmacy products in my BOXYCHARM. So it's interesting that in the month of July, Pharmacy was in both. So they're doing a little bit of promoting, I guess. When you actually look like at the moisturizer, it looks like honey mustard. Is that weird? It looks like honey mustard. It makes me really want fries or like chicken tenders. I think this is going to be fun. What I think I'm seeing, am I seeing microbeads? Isn't that illegal? I don't know, but I am really excited to try this. Okay, so of course a little recap here. The most excited to the least excited I am to try the product. I'm most excited to try the Pharmacy moisturizer, not only because it looks like honey mustard, but because it is a good skincare brand and I love skincare. Also, I kind of feel like I don't have to buy moisturizer for so long because I just keep getting these moisturizer sample sizes that are decently sized, so that's good. The second thing that I'm genuinely excited to try is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. I'm not gonna say Party, except I just said it there. Anyway, and from there, the third one that I'm most excited to try is going to be the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. From there, the 3 that I'm not so excited about, but definitely will try out, is the Coddly Essence skincare. I do like trying out skincare. Oh, skincare can be pretty expensive for the most part, so getting these sample sizes, no matter how small, is pretty good to just try things out. And then next would be the Ren mask. Again, I use masks. I don't use them as often as I should, and maybe that's why I don't really like masks, but before I would try to use them really often, and I just don't see that big of a difference. So the next one that I'm less excited to try out is the Ren mask, and then the last one is the Briogeo shampoo, just because it's shampoo. I've got dandruff. Alright, well those were the items that I got in my Sephora Play this month. Thanks so much for sticking around and listening to me. I feel like this video was slightly negative. Like, I feel like I was ranting the entire time, and I don't mean to do so. I know I'm only spending $10, but whatever. I rant a lot. I complain a lot. Life is just so hard. And of course, if you want to check out some more of my videos, just go ahead and click right there. And if you want to subscribe, click up there, and I will see you next time.